Low performance if you're looking for a simple PC for web browsing, email checking, or overall video watching. A low performance machine is probably the way to go. These machines are small, don't draw a lot of power, and are usually pretty quiet, which is great. And also fit for home servers category. Middle phone. This is a great option for a majority of us, especially since you can scratch the machine's power and your budget to fit almost any scenario. Middle of road machines still sit in a small computer tower with enough power to play some games and more programs. If you're looking for a multi-purpose computer that won't break up the bank, so where you want to go. Middle purpose computer, a bit quiet in a price, but in general they range from 3,000 to 300 to 700. High performance. These are big guns. Generally, usually with a high performance computer are doing the things that the more instances, converting and editing large amount of video, playing latest games and latest game at the high setting, running other operating system in a virtual machine and so on. Be prepared to shell out a big cache, use a lot of electricity and devote a lot of space to each machine. Again, there is a good range here, but typically a high performance machine will cost anywhere from $700 to infinity and beyond. Why? Because in the later video I'm going to show you things we need to build a computer, okay? With some pictures I will show you, okay?